Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge, and in this video I'm going to be telling you guys how you can remove all the bloatware applications on your Redmi 9 Power smartphone. So this is my Redmi 9 Power. I brought it from the first Amazon sale, guys. As you can see, when we set up this device, there are a lot of applications which come pre-installed, guys, and I've actually put all these applications which came pre-installed in a folder on my home screen. As you can see, this is a bloatware folder I've made. Some of the applications that is present inside this folder, it might be useful for you guys. So for example, there are apps such as Amazon, there are apps such as LinkedIn, Netflix, Facebook, and other apps are there. These apps might be useful for you, but the thing is, smartphone's UI needs to be clean when we open the smartphone or when we start the smartphone for the first time. So if all these applications are present by default, it feels like it has been cluttered too much and too much of our space is being consumed. Get apps is not necessary because we already have the Google Play Store. Facebook is there, Files, Google One, Home, LinkedIn, Me Credit, Me Pay, Moj application is there, Google Play Music, Netflix, Google Play Movies, and Podcast. So these are the different apps that come pre-installed on our smartphone, guys. In order to uninstall these apps, there are two important steps. First step is some of these apps can be uninstalled right on our smartphone itself. I can just long press on some of the applications and I can go to the app info and I can just uninstall the app right from this window. As you can see, the app can be uninstalled right from this window. If I click on uninstall, the app will directly get uninstalled from this window. Some of the apps are present which cannot be uninstalled. Some of the applications were uninstalled right on the smartphone itself, but these are the apps which we cannot uninstall from the phone. So for this process, we need the Xiaomi's bloatware removal tool. We have to just install that bloatware removal tool on our computer, connect our smartphone to our computer, and uninstall these applications. So in order to make sure that this smartphone connects to our computer successfully, what we need to do is we need to go to the settings and go to about phone, hit 7 times on the MIUI version. Click 7 times MIUI version. What happens is we will enable the developer options, and when we enable the developer options, just go to additional settings. We have the developer options. In the developer options, just go down here. We will have something called as USB debugging. When we turn on USB debugging, our smartphone will be successfully able to connect to computer. So now next step is to jump onto our computer. As you guys can see, I've connected my smartphone to my computer with the help of the USB Type-C cable, guys. Just go to our computer and install the Xiaomi bloatware removal tool application and remove all the bloatwares. So as you guys can see, I have connected my smartphone to the computer, and now what we have to do is we have to install this application called Xiaomi ADB Fast Boot. The link will be available in the description, guys. If you just go to the description link, you will find a zip file. As you guys can see, this is the zip file that is present, guys. Just download this zip file, windows.zip if your computer is Windows. Just download mac.zip if your computer is Mac. Just download linux.zip if your computer is Linux. The next step in the process is to extract the zip file on our computer, guys. So guys, as you just saw, when we extracted the zip file, we got this Xiaomi ADB Fast Boot tools. And make sure that you have this minimal ADB and Fast Boot tool installed on your computer, guys. If you don't have the minimal ADB and Fast Boot tool, sometimes this process might not work. So just open the bloatware removal tool. When you open the bloatware removal tool, what happens is you will get a prompt like this on your mobile phone. Just click allow to give the permission to USB debugging. Then what happens is all your apps that is present inside your system will be shown over here. Now you can go ahead and uninstall all those applications which you do not need. App Vault is something that I never use, guys. Facebook application, Get Apps, Google Lens is not necessary. Google One, Google Play Movies, Me Credit, Me Pay is present. MIUI Music Player, and there is this MSA applications. Just don't uninstall this Clean Master, guys. So what happens is if you uninstall this Clean Master, there are chances that your device will go to boot loop. Click uninstall over here at the bottom, and all the applications, just click on proceed, and all those applications will be uninstalled successfully from our Xiaomi device. So as you guys just saw in this window, all the applications uninstallation process is successful. So a lot of apps which came pre-installed just got cleared from our phone, and it looks very clean now. And just go to device over here, reboot to system, and your Android device will be rebooted successfully. So as you guys just saw, the uninstallation process was just successful. All the bloatware applications which we had made a folder over here has been uninstalled successfully. Lot more applications which came pre-installed has been uninstalled on this device, and the bloatwares has been removed successfully, and the device is looking very, very clean, guys. Some of the applications which the device did not allow to remove from the phone itself, we went ahead and used that bloatware removal tool and uninstalled all those apps. That's it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, guys.